You might think that 591 horsepower would be enough for the Audi RS6 Avant, but apparently, it was not. For 2024, Audi decided to crank the dial, replacing last year's RS6 Avant with a new performance model that promises a ludicrous 621 ponies. The new variant also weighs less, so acceleration should prove sufficiently brutal. And yet, the RS6 Avant's search for more power changes nothing about its impressive practicality, comfortably seating 5 in an interior, replete with rich materials and plenty of trendy technology. There's plenty of space to store cargo behind the power rear liftgate, too. The RS6 Avant remains a niche choice adrift in a sea of performance-oriented SUVs like the BMW X5M, as the station wagon's only true competitor comes in the form of the Porsche Panamera Sport Turismo. While the curvaceous look of the Porsche may appeal to some, the RS6 Avant's brawny, hard-edged design is also one of its biggest selling points. What's new for 2024? The RS6 Avant is offered only in the new performance trim for 2024, boosting the V8's horsepower and torque, while making some revisions to the chassis. The performance model also sheds several pounds, wears new 285-width Continental Sport Contact 7 tires, and adds some new colors. There's also a special Bronze Edition variant that wears glossy carbon fiber exterior trim, bronze stitching throughout its leather interior, and a Bang & Olufsen stereo system. Audi has also given the Bronze Edition model unique 22-inch bronze-colored wheels, a sport exhaust system, and a special suspension tune. Only 75 will be made and they cost $159,695 each. Engine, transmission, and performance. Audi endows the RS6 Avant Performance with a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, which generates 621 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. The powerplant combines with a 48-volt hybrid system that's found on other Audi products, such as the A8 luxury sedan and the Q8 crossover. The RS6 Avant Performance feeds its standard Quattro all-wheel drive through an 8-speed automatic transmission. The RS6 Avant Performance lightweight wheels and a revised center differential. But those numbers don't accurately demonstrate the wagon's glorious ability to increase our heart rates and tingle our eardrums with its breakneck acceleration and badass soundtrack. Rolling on a set of 22-inch wheels with summer performance rubber and buoyed by a sport-tuned air suspension with adaptive dampers, our RS6 Avant test car was able to deliver a relaxed or rollicking ride, depending on the selected drive mode. The long-roof Audi also felt extremely agile, thanks to its four-wheel steering and torque vectoring rear differential. Hours stopped from 70 miles per hour and a tidy 160 feet with the standard brakes. A set of front and rear carbon ceramic stoppers are available for a sizable sum, and the upgrade unlocks a higher top speed of 190 miles per hour. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The RS6 Avant is expected to earn 15 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway, which is in line with what the E63S and Panamera Turbo S Sport Turismo manage. Once we can run the RS6 Avant on our 75-mile-per-hour highway fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, we can evaluate its real-world miles per gallon. For more information about the RS6 Avant's fuel economy, interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the RS6 Avant showcases a sophisticated design and cutting-edge technology. The driver faces a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and the dashboard features a pair of large touchscreens between the front passengers. The rest of the cabin is covered in leather and accentuated with racy materials. The RS6 Avant has a roster of upscale standard features, including heated and ventilated front seats, 4-zone climate control, a panoramic sunroof, and wireless phone charging. Buyers can order a head-up display, massaging front seats, richer leather, and heated rear seats for more coin. The wagon has 30 cubic feet of cargo room behind the rear seats too. A power rear liftgate comes standard, a motion-activated one is optional. The new performance trim brings blue accents to the contrasting stitching and seat belts. Infotainment and connectivity. A 10.1-inch touchscreen handles the infotainment system. It supports standard features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Bang & Olufsen stereo, built-in navigation, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Below the upper display is an 8.6-inch touchscreen that contains settings for the climate controls, as well as other vehicle functions. While both screens have large icons that are easy to spot and use, they can be distracting to the driver, especially the lower one. We miss the old scroll knob that used to accompany Audi's infotainment systems. Safety and driver assistance features. The Audi wagon offers some standard driver assistance technology, with adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist both available. For more information about the RS6 Avant's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. Available night vision with large animal and pedestrian detection. Available blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert.